Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to put unused apps to sleep on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a great way to save battery life and keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the Home or Apps screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll to find Battery and then tap on it. To continue, tap Background Usage Limits. In the succeeding window, you will see the option to put unused apps to sleep. Simply turn on the switch next to it to enable the feature. You can also manage which apps to place in the Never Auto Sleeping Apps, or Deep Sleeping Apps category. Simply tap to the desired category and then tap on the plus sign in the upper rightmost corner to view and select the apps to add in it. Should you wish to remove an app from a category limit, simply tap on the sleeping category, tap on the three dots in the upper rightmost corner, then tap Remove. Select the apps that you'd like to remove from the list, and then tap Remove at the bottom to confirm action. And that's it! You've just learned how to put unused apps to sleep on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, managing your apps effectively can greatly improve your device's performance and extend its battery life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and troubleshooting guides.